Welcome to Modern Tech Channel. Building a computer under 50,000 rupees can be a fun and rewarding project. Here's a suggested build that balances performance and budget. Components. 1. Processor, AMD Ryzen 7 570X2. Motherboard, MSI B650M Gaming Wi-Fi Motherboard, MA-TX3. RAM, Adata Gamix D30 DDR416, GB 1x16 GB 3200 MHUDIMM4. Storage, Western Digital WD Black SN 770 NVMe 1 TB, up to 5,150 megabytes per second, 5-year warranty. PCIe Gen 4, NVMe M.2 2280. Gaming storage, internal solid-state drive, SSD. VS500 L7 cabinet. Galax PC case Revolution 06W. White gaming cabinet supports ATX, M-ATX, ITX. This setup should give you a solid performance for gaming and productivity tasks.